So, if you're a fan of Bleach, you probably know what this is. And by Bleach, I mean the anime, not the thing that you use to kill germs. This is a Shinigami badge, but, it looks like it came out really good. Almost perfect, in fact. You can see there's a little bit of fuzzies up here. Just one little problem, I left it on the heated printing bed for too long. Overnight, in fact, and this is what happened. So, when your prints are done, take them off the bed and turn off the printer. Because, the heat is not friendly to the PLA. But, easy fix. I mean, that's a pretty big gouge, right? I mean, that's just crazy. I'm shocked it just looks as clean as it does, but this is an easy fix. I'm going to probably just hit it with some putty, smooth it out, and then once it's painted, you won't even know the difference. But pretty wild, huh?